Hello friends, welcome back. Today we're gonna play a game where we're gonna match N words on the left with the pictures on the right. So let's begin. The first word is ban. B-A-N, ban. And these are the pictures. Let's see if you can find the right picture. And you guessed it right. This is a yellow ban sign. Good job. The next word is van. V-A-N, van. Let's find out if you can see the correct picture of van. You guessed it right. Good job. That is a yellow van. Alright, so the next word is pan. P-A-N. Let me see if you can guess the right picture. Yes, you got it. That's a pan. We cook food in a pan. Good job. The next word is can. K-A-N, can. Let's see if you can find the correct picture. You got it. That's a blue can. Good job. The next word is tan. T-A-N, tan. Do you know which picture is the right one? You got it. Tan. The boy is sitting in the sand to get some tan. Good job. The next word is fan. F-A-N, fan. Do you see fan? You got it. Good job. That's a fan. The next word is ran. R-A-N, ran. Which one? Which picture is the correct one? You got it. The boy ran. Good job. That was a great job, guys. We'll see you again in the next one. Bye.